As I see guys that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin today give us here a red pin bar here. That's very good because it happened, it touched the first time here that 15-moment average, and today it's back to touch it again. Let's see the coming hours what the market going to do here. Because me personally, watch me, I told you before, I told you also we got here that down channel like that guys, that the down channel here, you see it here. I told you maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down to test for us that 106 till 107k, exactly here the low of that up channel. Let's see what's going to happen now. The only thing now we're still holding that Bitcoin here is the 50-moving average. Maybe I am right, maybe I am wrong. It might Bitcoin to give us here a double bottom in 4 hours or something like that, and to indicate maybe the market is going to go back above. But here in daily also we are in a downtrend guys. Yes, in 4 hours we are in an uptrend, but here in daily also we are in a downtrend, and we show you why, we show you everything in the past videos. Now let's see what's going to happen here, if that market going to dump again or no. Why me I'm saying that? Look with me guys here, if we come and we zoom out like that here in daily, what you see that the uptrend also used to follow guys, you remember it here, now is getting broke here in that zone here, and now it came back to test it again. Let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to do like that and to break for us that last low there. Even that one is possible, also we are ready for everything. For swing trading also we got along, but if something going to happen we're going to change it to a short. If you want to see in smaller time frames update, also we making every day live guys. Even that one you can subscribe to our channel for not to miss any daily update. It's very simple my friend, down below subscribe button, click at it and turn the notification to all, so us every day when we put it live you will not miss nothing. We got something else here in daily guys which is very important. Let me show it to you. That's what we got guys here in daily. As you see that 50 moving average me I'm talking about, look at it here, how many times it's being touched. Another stronger zone we got here based on volume profile, is it here in that high here exactly. I will tell you the level which is exactly at 118k. Now if we break in that 50 moving average, next stop as I told you 108 till 106k. So also we're ready for everything guys. Even if we go back above, the next stop in the top is going to be 116k. So here based on daily also we are stuck between that two moving averages here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you guys. So I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map and crypto fair and grid index. So let's go in there together. By the way guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you can support us. Please my friend, go down and smash that like button if it's possible. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon of course. The link of our Patreon is it down in description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Click at see member option here, that one. You're going to find 3 member tiers: position, VIP member and elite member. Choose one of them, read the description. If you're facing any problem to join us or you want to ask me before you join us, you can join the free Telegram or free Discord. The link of them are down in description of that video, and we are very happy to solve your problem or to reply all your question my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, before we go to see the crypto fair and grid index and the liquidity, we need to come here to analyze for you the SP500 guys. The SP500 here is doing something here. Tried to bounce above, but he couldn't. There is no power today. It tried to dump. Now the view here that the SP500 guys here in 4 hours, they are one of two. Either is going to give us here a big head and shoulder like that. It's going to break the neckline here, and we're going to see a dumping. That number one scenario for long. We connecting those ones here like that, and we are going to wait if it's breaking above here. That man, we need to look into enter along even in the Bitcoin here guys. Another thing we can make now here in the SP500 is it an uptrend between that two tails here, that one and that one, and we wait, and if it's breaking down here as I told you it's going to dump. If it's breaking above here, that man is going to go more long guys. If you want, even for the SP500, the only thing guys, the SP500 is only for long term, so we don't give in short term signals. You can join us. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the SP500 guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touched here extreme oversold area. Now it's coming back, but is it stuck here in that divergence downtrend here? As you see it, guys, here, over here, it used to be a divergence. Now it's need to be broke for us to know the SP500 going to pump up again. If it's not, it's just going to touch it, then after that to fall down again. Even that one, you need to focus about it. So I think I explained everything here about the SP500. Now let's see the VIX, what it's doing today, guys. That's very important. Let's go in there to see it together. Here we are, guys. The VIX here, it's staying here 17.85. That means we haven't touched 20, so everything's still looking normal. Yes, it fell down here and it touched it, guys, but it doesn't mean also we need to buy again. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. Then also we're going to update you about anything, my friend. I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see that crypto fair and greed index, liquidity heatmap, Bitcoin ETF. So let's go in there to see it together, guys. Here we are, guys, in the crypto fair and greed index. As you see it in front of you, the greed is at medium now, 54. Should we buy? Me personally, I'm still waiting it to enter to the fair, but everything can happen, guys, because sometimes only from that neutral here it bounce again. Let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. Also, we are ready for everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin ETF, guys, what it's doing today. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin ETF. There is new design for that page where we're getting the data as you see, the total net flow, the daily total volume, all those things, because that one here is the same one like down here. Daily trading volume 2.84 billion, the total net asset, as you see, everything in front of you, guys. But also we are not focused about those things. Also we need to focus about that one here, because yesterday I haven't put for you a video, guys, and today we need to say about everything. Yesterday, Grayscale Mini sold our friend BlackRock, that the second day they selling, guys. As you see, they sell 2.56k. Fidelity, same thing, they sold 351. ARK Investment, they haven't. BITB, they bought 163. The rest, no one of them. The total Bitcoin being outflow, guys, 2.83k. Bitcoin is being outflow, guys. That's a huge number. Today, same thing. Our friend Grayscale, they sold 171. BlackRock, no data as usual. The rest, no one of them, we got the data of it. And the total Bitcoin outflow here, 171. But we're still waiting the data of BlackRock and Fidelity. Then we're going to make a decision based on that. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap, guys, because that's very, very important. So let's go in there to see it. As you see, guys, that the liquidity heatmap here in 24 hours. We got some stop losses above here and those ones down here. Me personally, I think in the Bitcoin is going to go back to liquidate all those ones above here, because those ones down to be liquidated. When it's going to liquidate those ones, it's going to fall down again to liquidate those ones down. That's what also we're doing. We catch a short day trading from here. We catch a long now. We're going back with it above. That's what also we're doing, guys. And that's why also every time we're telling you, if you want to join us and you want to learn from professional people, that the job of them, no bias, no fabs. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap here in the weekly, guys, because that's very, very important. And also we see it every day. Let me show it to you. As you see, guys, here, liquidity heatmap here in the weekly doesn't got a lot of stop losses down. The majority of stops are above here. Also, we've been saying that exactly at 120k. That's meant the market or Bitcoin here is going either to go back to touch that 20 moving average in daily. Is it exactly at 117 till 116k or till 120k? So also we're ready for everything and we're waiting what's going to happen and we're going to show you how to catch it. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the coming news of today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, that the coming news of today. The coming news of today, we don't got something special. We just got crude oil inventory and 10-year bond action or not action. That one, it will not affect the market. So there is nothing special for today. Just hold. There is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here, Bitcoin in 4 hours, it touch here. Now it fall down. Either it's going to give us here like a double bottom like that. And to indicating that one here is being the bottom. And we're going to see that Bitcoin pumping. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, all that is just manipulation, guys. And that Bitcoin going to fall down and to break here. That smaller uptrend here, and it's going to break it here, and we're going to see it falling down. Even that one, it's possible. Or for long, we still have here, that one here, exactly like that, guys. Like a smaller pennant or a flag like that. Maybe we are going back to test the top of it here, like that. That's possible. Then after that, it's going to do like that. Even that one is possible. So also we're ready for everything. As also we show you, we told you the market is going to go back above. So also we are ready for everything, guys. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing, it touch here, extreme oversold area. Now it tried to enter above to the zone where is the bulls they control, but there is no power. It means also technically we're still only in a zone where is the bears they control, and we're still in a downtrend. But let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see the Ethereum, guys, in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, it tried to give us here like a big penalty like that, guys, or a megaphone here. That number one scenario. Second thing, it might we can connect in those ones here, and we waiting that Ethereum to break more higher. Even that one is possible. We got here a uptrend, guys. If you came with me here and you zoom out like that, what you seeing, guys? You came to that low here and you do it like that. What you seeing? We touch it here. Now we are going back to test it again. Let's see if is it from here going to give us another high. That number one scenario. Second scenario is going to fall down to that low here, and it's going to break it and it's going to dump. And even that one it's possible. Also, we don't care where it's going to go. Also, if it's going above, we're going to catch it. If it falls down, we're going to catch it. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing like the Bitcoin in 4 hours. It touch here, extreme oversold area, same thing here. Now what is it the view? Let's see now if is it going to pump again till it will touch for us here, extreme overbought area. That's possible because if you're looking with me here, that the divergence downtrend, guys, the one here in the chart, we're still far away from it, but here also we break it down here and we go back, we test it. Let's see now if it's going to do like that to give us a new high. Even that one it's possible. Now it's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, same thing. That one here, either one of two. Either is going to give us here a big head and shoulder. It's going to be a very clear head and shoulder in daily like that. It's going to break here. It's going to dump. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, the downtrend here. That one here. We're going to break it because now we tested here and we couldn't break it, guys. Let's see now if it's going to come back to test it again and to break it above. Even that one is possible. Also, we are ready for everything, guys. If it's going to break above here, we're going to catch it. If it's going to dump, we're going to catch it, and that's what also we're doing every time. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing. It touch here, extreme oversold area. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. And the Sol now here, he couldn't here enter in a zone where the bulls they controlling. But the good news here, the Sol, it's breaking the downtrend. Also, we just show you here in the chart, guys. You see the downtrend here, the Sol, it's break it here. Let's see if it's going to break even here for us to go more long with it. And also we're ready for everything. I think I explained everything here. If you want more in-depth analysis, when also we enter, we'll put stop loss, take profit, and all those things, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon is down in description of that video and in the first comment. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys, or Ripple here. That one here, me enter along. It went up till here. Most stop loss, it kicked me out. Not fair enough, guys, because me I don't care where it's going to go. That one me catching it. Very nice money a short. Now I try to long it. I take from it enough profit, then I move stop loss to entry point, then market kick me out. That's fair enough. Now here, what is it the view? We still have here the downtrend here. It's need either that one to be broken like that and the XRP to give us here like that, like a penalty, guys. That a penalty here, if it's getting broke here, that's when we're going to see that XRP pumping. That number one scenario. For short, same thing, guys. For short, you can connect in those ones like that, and you waiting which direction is going to be broke, either above or down. Also, we're ready for everything, guys. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here in the XRP. Same thing, guys, like all the others. It touched here, extreme oversold area. Now he tried to enter to a place or a zone where the bulls they're controlling, but there is no power. Let's see the coming hours what's going to bring for us. For Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys, we are not going to do it here. Also, we do it every day in a live stream, because in the live stream, we make you to see live chart, and we do it every day before New York Open. That man is the right time if you want to catch nice trades. Like today, we give the people a short and everything went fine. Or if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on. Or you can join the free Discord, the free Telegram. We're going to share those things there if you want to benefit even from those things. You're going to be notified more quicker over there if you are interested, of course. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.